seem to understand. A shame you seemed an honest man. And all the fears you hold so.
Wait, let's all sing that in unison, okay? 1, 2, 3. I'm your
biggest fan of all
until you love me.
And that is what happened when I went in the server. I'll tell you the story. When I was recording and talking, they heard me and they knew that I was a YouTuber and they started trying to get in my video and all that. Oh, I'm innocent. I'm really not. I guess I can survive a couple more rounds. What do you want? No, she's targeting me. I think she is.
Queen, I missed you.
Bro, stop following me. Bro, leave me alone.
Oh, okay, wait, she's sheriff.
You guys, it's my time to cook. Let me cook.
She's sheriff, guys. Let her lock in. Let her lock in. Let her cook. Let her cook.
I'm your biggest fan. I follow you. And who are you?
Bro, where is the murderer? I think it's that guy. Bro, why are you guys all over me? Like, leave me alone.
You are the one holding the gun.
I would take a
I wish they would just leave me alone, but they keep on following me. Like, please just leave me alone, please. Are you kidding me? That's not fair, bro. That's really not. I guess that's kind of fair, but at the same time, not. I'm gonna go hide so when they get back, they're not gonna see me. That will be good. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty bored in here. I'm about to go out, yeah, because it is bored, so I'm about to go. Jump. I knew it was him. Fine, you can friend me. Hold on. Wait. Oh, you want to friend me? Okay. Oh, I didn't get to accept it. Hold on. Okay, I just friended you. Yeah, we're friends. I literally knew it was him.
Oh, you got her as a friend?
We're already friends,
I'm
girl.
so jealous.
Leave me alone.
I'm so jealous. You're just so cool and I love you.
Okay, bro, stop following me.
I'm your number one fan.
Get out, you're not my number one fan, bro. You haven't even seen my YouTube yet. Please go away.
How do you get in?
Bro, go. What are you guys doing? Why is all you guys coming in here? Bro, all you guys are in here. Now he's trying to fit in. Yeah. Innocent for the 100th time. That's so great. Well, I got sheriff last round, so I don't even know what I'm saying 100 times. But I really want to be murderer, though. Like, bruh.
Queen, I love you. No, come back, I love you.
Bro, stop following me. Like, why y'all have to always follow me? Like, I'm not that famous. I'm not that famous, bro. Leave me alone. Bro, I'm just trying to make a peaceful video and you guys are following me. She's murderer. I think she is. Bro, why are you following me? Are you trying to target me or something? Okay, you got this. You got this. You got this, Danny. You got this. I'll try, though. Bro. She's the murderer. She's for sure. Or the other girl. I don't know. I knew. That's not fair, bro. I didn't. Why are they targeting me, bro? How does that make any sense? I knew it was her, bro. Okay, you guys, just to let you know, I'm gonna be having merch out, and I have new episodes series of bloopers and rage and more. So you might want to go to those. So
I'm
yeah.
your biggest.
Okay. Okay. Let's just try to run away. I don't want to. Bro, leave me alone. Bye, you guys.
and you don't seem to understand. A shame you seemed